This is Midtown Bend, and these are the Marshall Cottages. I want to take you inside to see the orchard floor plan, but first I wanted to show you the setup out here. These are 8 homes, all centered around a common area, but they each have a private garage and a private patio. Let's go inside. So this is the orchard floor plan. The first thing you notice when you come in are the 9-foot ceilings. Makes everything feel light, bright. The layout is amazing. Everything has its space, but it feels connected and is totally intentional. So where these homes really stand out for me are the enclosed, private, low-maintenance patios. These are great for entertaining friends, having a morning cup of coffee, or even some additional storage. And if you need even more storage, there's a garage. Oh yeah, that's right, there's a garage. Plenty of room for all your gear, low maintenance living, right in the heart of Midtown Bend. Come experience the Marshall Cottages for yourself.